Alright, here we go. Going under. Going under. Oh. Oh. Alright. So the problem right here. Okay. So I cleaned that entire valley. I mean, not 20 minutes ago. And it's already seeped. If you see, it's got a crack right in the crease there. Hold on, let me see if I can zoom in. Oh God, that's horrible. Oh God, hold on. Oh man, it's like I landed on another planet. Okay, so it's cracked right there, and it's seeping like crazy. So I felt all around up above it, and it just seems to be kind of isolated right there, but it's dripping so bad, it'll be coming down on these bolts right here. Sorry it took me so long to back that up. Here, let's see what we can find. We're upside down, inside out, twisted all about. But, I mean, that seems to be the problem right there. And, actually, now that I kind of look at it, it might even be further up. Oh, let me get the light readjusted. No, but I think it's like right to there. Oh, you can see where the crack expands now.